How's it going, team? I hope you're all keeping well, and I have some very exciting news for the Home Workout YouTube channel. I'm going to be running a brand new 4-week completely free at-home workout challenge here within my YouTube channel. There is going to be brand new workouts out every single week for you to go ahead and perform absolutely anywhere. Whether you're training at home, the gym, or on your travels, these workouts are really going to push you to the next level to help you get in incredible shape, all within a quick space of time. You don't need a fancy gym membership, you don't need fancy gym equipment. Literally, all you will need is very minimal equipment, whether it be a pair of dumbbells, one dumbbell, or even just a kettlebell, a small bit of space, the power of your own body weight, and you and I working out alongside each other every step of the way. So I'm going to have a brand new session uploaded on a Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday for the next 4 weeks, okay? And all you have to do is make sure that you have subscribed to the Home Workout YouTube channel, share this with your mates, and I cannot wait to see you for day number 1 within our brand new Home Workout challenge here on YouTube. Let's do it.